Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we're going to talk about the deadline for that $10,000 primary trade line. That's right, there's a deadline. It's the 25th of the month, midnight. We're going to talk about it some more. And welcome to Foci Optics. Check. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. And as you can see, we're here on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page. And I want to thank you for being here. And please share the video. This can help other people. And please like the video, of course, like I always say. But again, we have a join button over here on the right hand side, which is for members only who would like to join the channel. You have special emojis, special icons. You actually even have special chat messages that you can leave. And also I send under the community tab a couple of videos a month and messages just for members only. It's mostly about investing. So anyhow, without further ado, let's get down to this $10,000 primary trade line deadline. Every month, here's how it goes, ladies and gentlemen. You have to order by midnight the 25th of the month in order for it to report the following month between the 12th and the 19th. So, if it is November 25th, you have to order. And then it will post, the trade line will post on your credit file sometime between December 12th and December 19th. So now, let's just say it's 1 a.m. in the morning and you sign up on the 26th. And now you're sending messages going, hey, I just signed up. It was just a little after midnight. Well, it's too late, ladies and gentlemen. Deadlines are deadlines. And that means your post is going to start January 12th through the 19th. So that's an example of what will happen. So therefore, this is why I say everybody who wants to improve their credit, who wants to actually establish credit, who wants to build credit, you have until the 25th of the month midnight for the $10,000 primary trade line, the best $10,000 primary trade line to post between the 12th and the 19th. I've said it 3 times. Now, with that said, please do not have fraud alerts. Please do not have credit freezes. Please do not try to use CPNs. Please do not try and ruin this for millions of people that need help. Because I know there's going to be some fools out there trying to do something crazy. So don't do it, please, because we're trying to help millions of people here the right way. All right, you can fix your credit anytime. Search the channel. I have credit repair videos. But let's get down to some receipts. Receipts, what I mean by receipts is something very simple. Attractive Gems Jewelry have won awards in their local area. So I'm going to show it up here. Local best. Here goes an award. Okay, you can see here 2020, 2019, 2018. Let's go again. 3 best rated. And here's the 3 best rated in Oceanside. All 3 of these jewelers, and you'll notice Attractive Gems Jewelers is one of them. So again, that's the receipts that you need. We're going to talk about the $10,000 primary trade line. No hard inquiry. No credit check. Everybody's approved. Therefore, you don't have to play games. Build your own credit score, your own primary trade lines, which are more valuable in the long run. It's $149.99 annual membership fee. No payment for anything else. 1 year goes by. It's your anniversary. Now you pay the renewal fee of $99 if you would like to continue reporting on your credit file. You do not have to buy anything else. But if you decide that you want to buy something else from the famous jewelry store, then therefore what do? You call them up. You have an account number that, by the way, they're going to be sending you an account number and an email usually 48 to 72 hours after you sign up. Now, you see something online, or you can go to the store, or you can call up the store. Everybody's on point. So you have to put down 20%, ladies and gentlemen. Give an example. $5,000 item of jewelry, 20% means you got to put down $1,000. You're going to finance the $4,000 and they're going to charge you 5% a month. Why 5%? Because they're giving you 0% interest on this. So 5% a month for 24 months. But because you can do the math, 20 months times 5% is 100%. You're going to pay it off in 20 months, even though you have a 0% interest for 24 months. And what's the bonus to this? The bonus to this is because it's a fixed payment, you get a second installment trade line added to your credit file. Another bonus from this program. Now you see these guys are legitimate. Now you see their stores. What else do we need to see? How about a copy of something that's already been happening? A lot of people think this is bogus, that it's not going to happen. They already report, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see up on the screen, I just pulled up somebody's from a year ago. And by the way, people are asking, does it have, I don't know why people think there's some sort of age to this when you just started. It's just like any other revolving trade line. When you open up a revolving trade line, it starts at 0. So on your credit file, it's going to say month 1. Or it'll say 0 at first, less than 1. But once you get up to 1 month, it's going to say 1 month. There is no age on this. This is a revolving trade line. So again, let's recap. $10,000 primary trade line. No hard inquiry. No credit check. It's a revolving trade line that reports to all 3 credit bureaus. And they already do this, so this isn't some new thing. They're in business for 6 years, ladies and gentlemen, in 4 locations, including 2 in Texas and 2 in California. All right, so that's all I wanted to talk about today with that $10,000 primary trade line, because I want this video to illustrate the deadline is always the 25th of the month, midnight, in order for it to post the following month between the 12th and the 19th. And of course, I can't leave you hanging because there's some other things that's happening right now. There's another alleged $10,000 trade line, but it's not. It's Tomo credit card touted that, but they're giving people 500, 1,000, 5,000. So far, the highest I've heard so far is 1,000. But the cards have arrived and people have actually sent me pictures of their card. So the tomorrow card apparently is happening, and they also have no credit check, no history and all this. There's a link down below. And there's also a link down below if you'd like to sign up for that $10,000 primary trade line. And now there's a link down below for the tomorrow card, as I call it. We'll call it Tomo because that's what they call it. But let's go on. There's going to be some more fintech type companies that I haven't talked about before. There's a One Finance. One Finance is almost going to do like an old Amex, an old charge card, where I call it almost like an overdraft deal, because if your bank allows you to overdraft, that's like a little loan, so to speak. So this is the same kind of thing. They're kind of like, if you deposit like $500 in there, I guess, every month, then they give you a little line of credit, but you have to pay it off within the 30 days. So it's almost like a month to month, that's old Amex style. So if I charged $100, then they expect the $100 to be paid within 30 days, what we call in business, net 30, except this is personal. All right? So that's One Finance. You can go check that out. There'll be a link down below for that. Now, Bank Mobile is not out. They were out. They're kind of out. Then they went to a wait list because everybody was signing up, because once again, we're in this no hard inquiry format, no credit check formats. So again, I'll have a link down below to bankmobile.com. Join the wait list and you'll be all set up for the future. And what else do you have in the future? Stocks, bonds, cryptocurrency. Please get your crypto now, because you'll be able to get loans, lines of credit against your crypto, which is an asset. Get your stocks, get your Robinhood and Webull free stocks down below. Why? Because you'll be able to borrow against your stocks, your portfolio down the line. Sign up with Wealthfront, which will manage your portfolio for you in case you're scared. Give them $500. Yes, you have to, if you want to be in the portfolio with Wealthfront, you have to give them $500. They'll manage it for you, buy whatever shares depending on your risk factors, and you can just set it and forget it. Go on about your life. It'll be managed. If you don't have $500 and you just want to open up an account, they have $100, but that will not be managed. So you can work your way up from there, but anything 500 and up, they manage. Anything under 5,000 is managed for free. If you go over 5,000, then they start charging you some sort of management fee, 0.025%. Simple. Set it and forget it. Safe investment if that's what you want, or you can go the index fund route. Vanguard, take your pick. VTO, VOO, VTSAX, take your pick. Okay? That's all I have to say, ladies and gentlemen. Now's the time. You can improve your credit scores. You can build your credit scores. The future is yours. Just be diligent about it. And with all that said, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. I know it's hard out here. And this is why you have to work on your credit, because credit is an asset. Once you realize what you can do with credit, then you'll open up your mind. So again, if you had $25,000 credit card, and if you knew you can borrow at 0% interest for 18 months, and all you had to pay back was 1% of it per month, yeah, you're still going to have a monthly payment, but 1% of it, let's just say I could do the whole 25, right? What can you do with $25,000? You can buy an asset that brings you in money and use that money that you're bringing in to pay off in those 18 months, however much you can. Hopefully it's the whole amount, but if it's not, hopefully if it's half of the amount. But either way, you just bought an asset with other people's money. This is why you pay attention to your credit. And then if you mess up, you get laid off, you lose your job, it does not matter. It goes down. Well, what do? We work our way back up. And that's why you have things like this $10,000 primary trade line. This is why you have the New Coast Directs, the My Jewelers Club, the Ox Publishing, the Hutton Chase. This is why you have secured cars like Discover. You see how this works, ladies and gentlemen? We all fall down, but you got a way to get back up. There's always a way to get back up. There's always a way to do something. So just expand your mind. And with that said, keep your head up. Keep moving. And I'm out.